here's the core mechanics on how to create a really good sounding freestyle. Step number one is you need to establish your rhythm to the instrumental that you're going to be freestyling over. This means that you're able to correctly identify the 4 beats of each bar. And if you're unable to do this, you won't be able to rap on beat or structure your rhymes in a musically pleasing way. And for your next step, you need to memorize lists of words that rhyme. When you're freestyling, you only have a split second to think about what you're going to say. So memorizing rhyme lists will allow you more time to focus on what you're trying to say. And a practical way to begin doing this is just by using a rhyming dictionary such as Rhyme Wave or Rhyme Zone, and think of a word you would likely use in a freestyle and then write down all the usable words that rhyme with that word. And keep memorizing lists of rhymes and practice implementing them in your freestyles. Next, you need to be able to create good sounding rhyme schemes out of your rhymes. Now, a rhyme scheme occurs when 2 words that rhyme with each other are placed in relatively the same location for at least 2 bars. And in order to do this effectively, you will need to lean on step 1, which is establishing rhythm, because we typically structure our main rhyme schemes around beats. And the most common rhyme schemes that rappers use are called end rhymes. And these rhymes are usually placed on or in close proximity with the 4th beat of each bar. And for the final step, you need to be able to fill in the rest of the bars with words that actually make sense in context with the word that you're using to rhyme with. And this is where your scatting skills come into play. Scatting is a musical improvisational tool that allows you to recall many different musical patterns that we call cadences, and then being able to change any one of those cadences in a variety of different ways. And this skill is what allows your rap flow to sound more fluid and less restrictive, rigid, and predictable. As you're freestyling, you don't know everything that you're going to say beforehand. So being able to improvise musical patterns on the spot will allow you to take whatever words you're thinking about on the spot and make them fit within the instrumental in a musically pleasing way. Now, freestyling is typically more focused on the lyrical side with the rhymes and the wordplay and things of that nature, but it's very important to have a decent sounding rap flow so it sounds musically pleasing to the ear. And if you want to level up your rap skills, grab the Rap Essentials bundle, which has 3 free rap courses packed with all the core lessons you need to perfect your craft. And the best part, it's 100% free. Just hit that link in my profile like it stole something from you to get instant access.
Gah! You hit me!